So here we have the Venn diagram, and we're going to use it to answer part A. So how many people are in the club? Now what this is saying is there are 17 members who eat apples only, and there's 20 who eat bananas only, and 52 are members who eat both. 41 is the peoples who eat neither apples or bananas. So to work out the total numbers, we are adding all of these numbers together. So 17 plus 52 plus 20 plus 41, 130. So there are 130 members in the club. Okay, now a member of the club is selected at random. What is the probability that eat both apples and bananas? Well, we know the probability is always expressed as a fraction, or you can convert into decimal. If we look at the information, we have 52 members who eat both. So if I express this as a fraction, it will be 23 over 130. Right, let's look at the next question. Now this time we need to use the information to complete the Venn diagrams. Now what we have here is 50 people in total. We have 30 people who have a brother, 25 have a sister, and 7 have neither a brother or a sister. So straight away we know we can put the 7 outside the circles. Now, if there are 50 people in all, if we take 7 away, that means we have 43 people who either have just a brother or just a sister, or have both a brother or a sister and a sister. So if I'm going to take 30 away from 43, the 13th here will represent there are 30 people who have just a sister. Now, if we look at the information here, we have 25 people who have a sister. So that means there are 12 who have a sister but also have a brother, because 12 plus 13 will give us 25. Now this has become very easy now, because we can now find the missing number on the left hand side for the brother. And we know there are 30 people who have a brother. So if I'm going to take 12 away from 30, I will left with 18 people have just a brother on its own. So that's done. Now let's look at the next question. 70 students were surveyed. 20 have visited India, 15 have visited Africa, and 10 have visited both. So straight away we can put the 10 here in the middle, which is the intersection. And from the information, we know the 20 students have visited India in total. So we know 10 plus 10 is 20. And we also know 15 people have visited Africa. So 10 plus 5, so 5 here is 15. Okay, we haven't quite complete the Venn diagram because we still have to include the student who have not visited both countries. So the number of students who haven't visited both countries will be 70. Take away all the numbers inside the circle, which is 10 plus 10 plus 5. So 45 students have not visited neither Africa or India. So that's done. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.